Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today, we're working on a customer's quilt. It's actually a baby quilt. Isn't it adorable? Or it could be a lap quilt. It doesn't really matter. It's got a log cabin center with the star out. So it's like a log cabin star. Isn't it beautiful? And of course, it's done on point. And it got the nice, beautiful, solid purples going on here and this lovely, lovely little mint green. So it was my choice to quilt it up any way I like. So I chose, a nice little pattern. One that's actually a square and the other one is a triangle. And we're just going to let Walt kind of help finish it up here as I, set it where I want it to go. So it should come work over here. And then it'll come down here. And then I could set that one up. We'll see how much time is left. We'll just plug away at it. Isn't it beautiful? And I have white thread in the bottom, and I have pistachio thread in the top. The backing is a lovely, soft gray with little sheeps on it all over the place, and it's a flannel, and it's beautiful. Isn't it lovely? I love the square. The square is stunning. Great project. Really, when you think about it, it's a fantastic way to bust scraps. And you only need 9 to build out this baby quilt or lap quilt, or even wall hanging, make a lovely wall hanging. You could do something different in these 4 squares. Keep the triangles as the nice, border around it. And then you can always add something in here or nothing at all. So I think we said we were going to leave these plain and then just do something fun and exciting in here. So yeah, it's beautiful. Very beautiful. Love the fabrics. Love the colors of the fabrics. They're very, very vibrant. Remind me very much of Easter and spring, and we know that's coming, thank goodness. It's been a long time coming, it seems. Very much looking forward to warmer weather and walking and taking my bike down to Crossing Guard. So. Okay, and that one's almost done. It's going to come back and end here in the corner. And then it's going to stitch down over here, and then it's going to work on some of the triangles. So, okay, it locks its stitches in the beginning. It goes down 2 or 3 times, put a lock, and then at the end it also does as well. So, and that helps lock those stitches in, so they're not going to come out anywhere. They're really next to each other, and they're nice and secure. So, there we go. I've been waiting to see what it would look like on this vibrant purple. So, very excited to see the block stitch out. You'll see it a whole lot better now. It's beautiful. Love that purple. That purple and that green together. Beautiful. It's very masculine and yet still feminine. You know what? It could go either way. It could go. Anybody would love it, I would think. Yeah, we've been very busy. We started a new project on the weekend. It's the giraffe. We didn't get to actually finish it on camera. I apologize for that. But run into business, you run into business. People show up. So gotta do. And then I had like 3 more people come after that as well. So it was a busy day. And we're going to continue this weekend as well. Make another giraffe head. I'll have all the parts labeled this time. And we can probably get another head put together, and then we'll see if we can do one of the leaves, or the flower section, or leafy section. The foliage. Should be fun. Isn't this beautiful? And it just kind of makes the center of that little log cabin kind of pop up, because the stitches don't go all the way in it. And the same as here. Isn't that pretty? It just kind of makes it pop up just a little bit. It's one of my favorites. One of my favorites. Okay, so we'll trim these up and we'll set it to where it's going to go next. And I think it's going to work on some triangles. Yes, it is. Okay, so it's the same pattern that has been stitched out here, but it's done in a triangle form. Okay, and this was both available through the software of my Gamble Statler. I call it Walt. I figure everything has to have a name. And I just thought the pistachio thread, which is very similar in color to this minty green here, would stand out really nice on the purple, and it would make all the colors on here pop. So, is that pretty? Look at that. It's lovely. And I click out where I want it to sit, so it comes right into the corners I want it to go into. I make sure to, when I'm clicking it out as drawing the boundaries for the pattern software to stitch in, because I got to tell it where to go. and so you make sure you put it exactly where you need it to be. Hold those threads back over there. You can see the two different colors on the green there. And the back stitches just kind of sink right into the flannel. So it looks pretty. Looks very pretty. Yeah, and they'll put away at this for a couple hours and it'll get all done and it'll be beautiful. And who wouldn't want that? Is that lovely? Lovely colors. And I should do the outside ones here, and I think that's all that I had programmed it for. Okay, we want to make sure we're bringing that bobbin thread right up to the top, trimming it, setting it to go to its continue to its next spot. Okay, it's right here. Love that purple. And it's a very pretty stitch out. And I think it looks lovely. It's got just enough movement to it. Adds a bit of interest when you're looking at these nice solid squares. It's kind of got this little, you know, jazzy box, or, you know, kind of groovy. Groovy? Whatever. It'll look nice. Perfect. I always wait for Walt to tell me he's done first before I proceed, because I don't want to mess anything up. Okay. I don't want to stop him before he's finished by hitting the button at the wrong time. Does a little ding, so I know it's done. All right, so that's the string. And then I'll take that same pattern that's up in these ones here, and I'll shrink it and stick it in those upper corners out there. Just a matter of a little tweak here and a shrink there, and it'll fit. You could probably see Sophie napping on her bed. She's right there. Not very far from Mama. Love that color on that purple. And here's Sophie. She's happy with the choices I made. So she just let me. There's a couple of them in the. She brought a bunch the other day, and there's a few that I could choose whatever I wanted to do with. So there we go. I'll take it. So yeah, that's how this is going to look. Isn't it beautiful? That should keep me out of trouble for just a little while, at least. So we will check you out on Weekend Project, and of course the live stream on Saturday. So see you then. Okay? Take care, everybody. Have yourself a fantastic day. See ya. Bye-bye.